Hi there, welcome to this Bybit tutorial video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to navigate yourself through the platform and also how to buy crypto, sell crypto, and also do transfers on crypto. Over here, once you've registered your account, you will gain accessibility to the main platform where the magic happens. So over on the top panel, you have buy crypto, markets, trade derivatives, earn, and also NFT. Feel free to explore. I'm going to go straight into assets. So in the assets, it's basically your account is divided into spot account, derivatives account, USDC account, BuyFi account. So in this example, I would like to make some transfers from my spot account into my derivatives account so that I could trade. So let's see, we have a balance of, you could just, this is your overview of your wallet, right? Shows that you have 26.4 USDT 26.4% USDT in this wallet, and majority will be Bitcoin. So in this case, I would like to transfer, let's go to derivatives account. Let's say I would like to have an extra 0.2 Bitcoin in my derivatives account. I'll go ahead, click on transfer. If you take a look, I need to transfer from spot to derivatives. So go ahead, coin Bitcoin. Yes, say 0.2 Bitcoin into my derivatives account. So go ahead, click confirm. And there we go. I have 0.59 right now, and probably deducted 0.2 of my derivatives, my spot account. So right now I have a derivatives account. Yeah, okay, great. So let's go ahead. Let's execute a trade. If you would like to buy some Bitcoin, you could go on to markets. Go on to markets. Go to spot Bitcoin. Find your pairing, right? It has to be BTC and USDT. Go ahead, open up. Yeah, internet is pretty slow. Okay, great. So over here, you have your buy and you have your sell as well. So you have limit, market, and also conditional. I'm not going to go into the three different orders. I'll go straight into like market for the sake of this video. Let's say I'm ordering order value of let me see, let's say 10,000 USDT worth. Oh no, wait, hang on. Let's go with like 1,000 USDT worth, all right, of Bitcoin. That's approximately 12% of my spot account. I'm going to go ahead, buy some Bitcoin, buy BTC, bought at that price. So yes, it should reflect on my account. Go ahead, check on my account. Oh, I definitely have more Bitcoin on my spot right now. There we go. So, yep. Next, I would like to share. Let's go on and close. I've bought my Bitcoin. I would like to trade. I like to trade derivatives. I go to inverse perpetual. You see there's USDT perpetual and also inverse perpetual. So in the USDT perpetual page, you are trading Bitcoin on leverage, but you are trading with USDT, not Bitcoin. So on the inverse perpetual is where you actually trade with Bitcoin itself. So you gain and you profit and you loss, and your losses will be in Bitcoin. So let's go ahead, go into Bitcoin USD. So over here, you'll be navigated to this page where you could execute your orders. Apologize for the slow internet. Oh, it's taking a while. Okay, so let's take a look on the right panel over here. You could buy, or you long it, or you sell, or short it. All right. So it also shows you your assets, your equity, available balance in this account. You could also deposit into this account from here, or you could wait. Sorry about that. Shouldn't be clicking it. It is also another way to get into your account. You could exchange and you could buy. So over here we have cross margin and we have isolated margin. In this case, I'm going ahead with isolated margin. I'm going to go like this is your leverage. You could adjust your leverage accordingly to your risk appetite. I'm going with 7x, for example, 7x. I'm going to go ahead, let's see. These are USD contracts. So if I buy $7,000 worth of USD, it pretty much means the contracts, right? So I'm going to go ahead, buy long. You could see estimation liquidation price will be at 37,000. I will be buying at this price point, yeah. So go ahead, click confirm. I have long the market. Obviously, I'm betting that the price will go up at this point. But if the price goes down and touches my liquidation price, I'll get liquidated. So here you have your $17,000 worth of contract and the value in Bitcoin, your entry price, and the current market price, and then liquidation price. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to close my trade. I'm going to go ahead, click on market. I have a choice to close 25% of my current trade, 50%, 75%, or 100%. I'll go with 50% for now. Confirm. I've closed off half of the contracts of my current position. So I'm balanced with 8,500 contracts. And if I want to pretty much end the trade or close the trade, go ahead, market, confirm, bam, done. There we are. So yep, that's it for now. This is the basics of navigating through the Bybit platform. So go ahead, explore, trade with extreme caution. Bitcoin is highly volatile. Do your own research, and all the best. Have fun.